San Gimignano, the town of beautiful towers, or the medieval Manhattan. A gem of an Italian hill town in the southwest of Florence, in the Tuscany region of central Italy, San Gimignano is an incredible city encircled by 13th century walls and numerous towers erected in friendly competition amongst the wealthy citizens during their medieval prosperity.
We're in a new city again.
Hello, world travelers and adventure seekers. We are
the Destination Dibbles.
San Gimignano immediately grabbed our imaginations and pulled at our heartstrings, so much so that we couldn't wait to document our journey for you here. The best of enjoying a slow, calm, and relaxing evening in San Gimignano was the purest of highlights. We sat, we drank, explored a bit, drank some more, gelatoed, and sat some more as well. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is so small and charming that you just can't help but slow yourself down and take a well-earned breather in the Old Town Center, which is located on Piazza della Cisterna, or also known as Città Alta. And you can also relax on the Piazza del Duomo steps like we did for several hours. San Gimignano is lined with strikingly inspiring towers that give this city a skyline to admire. 14 total medieval towers exist today, but originally 72 towers created the skyline affectionately called the medieval Manhattan. The towers are best viewed on the steps of the Piazza del Duomo, with the stone Torre Grossa tower being the tallest tower that offers views of the town and surrounding countryside. A cool story we researched told of the city law forbidding the building of towers higher than the main communal one known as Rognosa. However, a creative family, the Salvuccis, decided to flex their financial power and bypass the law by building 2 side-by-side towers during the heat of the town's family competitions. We hope you can find these. What happened to the other 58 towers, you ask? Well, World War II destroyed some, and unfortunately, others have been cut down over the years. The 12th century Collegiate Church of Santa Maria Assunta, or Duomo di San Gimignano, located in the Piazza del Duomo, houses beautiful frescoes. The church was closed for our visit, but is located a few paces from Città Alta. The Piazza della Cisterna is the main square and is named after the well in the plaza center, which provided water to the town in the past.
Don't forget about the candy shop.
We didn't want to leave this city, and before departing, we ventured into a candy shop so our daughter could load up on sugar. I may have loaded up myself. One of the most authentic, well-preserved medieval cities in Tuscany, this should be added to your bucket list.
hope you enjoyed our content. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye, everybody.